My sister wanted more pictures. She said she only wanted a couple, but now we're here 40 minutes in and 2 hours in, and what we learned today is that women are liars.
So I can't go outside and shoot strangers, and I really want to shoot. So after being home for so long, I found out there's a creature that lives in my house that eats food and records TikToks. They're called Sister. I want to share a few tips that help me shoot people who aren't models, specifically my sister, which I do a lot since I've taken portraits of nearly 300 strangers. Wow, that's a lot of strangers. Today I'll be taking pictures of my sister at home in quarantine. This is Sister in Film.
New watch, new gun, red bandana with a blue one. Can't set trip, gotta choose some. If you win the field, gotta do some. Do some. Homeboy say you got.
No, you gotta speak into the microphone.
I didn't know this was
closer.
I didn't know this was gonna be a video.
Closer.
Until
They can't
2
hear
minutes ago.
Okay.
How do you know that?
Tip number 1. The height you take the pictures in is very important. Shooting from under your subject is normally a more authoritative look, while shooting from above shows a more passive, submissive pose. Look at her, she looks like a cute little bee. That's a cute little sister, yes you are. So normally, if you want to shoot somebody and make them look more serious or make them look more professional, I would say shoot them from under looking up. And if you want somebody to look less aggressive, or if you want somebody to look more feminine, you could shoot them from up and down. Get them in the flow by showing simple poses. So like for example, look at that tree, lift your neck, cross your arms like this.
Like this one downwards and this one up, but cover like that. Yeah.
I find that the more confident you are in telling them instructions, the more confident they'll feel in posing with you. Tip number 3. Find his or her angles. A very good question I ask in the beginning is, what side do you normally take your selfies on? And if the person you're shooting doesn't take selfies, then ask them how do they shoot the which star sign will you date filter on Instagram. I do it from my left side, and I'm most likely to date a Pisces. Move around and find the side you like most. You'll find that most people have a side they tend to prefer, and then you could just focus on shooting that side or have that as the back of your mind. If your subject's not relaxing at all, I suggest you put music on and be patient. And I don't mean wear headphones unless you're looking to ignore your model because you found out they're actually the favorite child and your parents love her more. But a lot of the times, the first 5 minutes of pictures, you'll get nothing. But if you can get the model to relax those 5 minutes, you're golden. And that's why music can help a lot to calm those nerves. Don't stress yourself and have fun with your model. Be nice and patient. Smile and joke a lot. I would say most of this job is communicating and being friendly. Tip number 6 or 5, I'm not sure. Pay attention to the neck. A lot of the times when people are nervous, they will lower their necks and hide it from the camera with their hair.
So that's good because that way you want to see her neck elongates her face. If you're covering her neck, then it won't look as good.
This could go back to nature where predators see the neck as a very vulnerable place to attack. As a professional photographer, we don't attack necks most of the time. You don't want the neck covered. Get that hair out of the neck and instruct them to free the neck. Hashtag, I guess. You want openness and vulnerability. Makes them look skinnier too. And hey, it's not like a solid rule. Can't cover their neck and it looks really cool, but it depends from time to time. And I tend to think a lot of times you could make a picture look so much better if you move the hair out of the neck. And that is what I have for today. It was fun shooting my sister. She also had a lot of pictures of me because initially I wanted her to take my pictures because it was my birthday. And every time I get my camera out, she wants pictures. And so that's why I said, hey, let me just record this.
Say you love the pictures.
I love the pictures.
Tell them they're great.
They're great pictures.
Tell them to hire me.
You should hire him.
Okay, I'm gonna edit me saying that out. You're gonna be saying it. If you guys enjoyed this video, give a like and stuff, and subscribe, and yeah.